Primus IQ brake controller. So this is a portional brake control system. Basically, this is an inertia sensing system, and what that means is as you brake harder, it's going to send more signal to your trailer and it will brake harder. And that is an adjustable setting, so you can make it as sensitive or as least sensitive as you want it. Basically the point where you touch the brakes, they will lock up, or if you touch the brakes, they'll do nothing. So you have all the adjustment in between. That's one nice thing about these controllers, and they're highly rated. Primus IQ by Tekken Shah, or however, we'll have a link in the description below for that. So if you're thinking about installing a 7-way plug or a brake controller on your SUV or light pickup truck, whatever the case, this is a good brand. It's tried and true. We're going to be installing one on our Nissan Xterra. That'll be in the video after this, but beforehand, basically this is an extra layer of comfort and could save your life in the ability of needing to stop in an instance. So in my Nissan Xterra, my vehicle weighs roughly 5,000 pounds. The trailer I'm looking to purchase is going to be about 2,700 pounds. By the time I'm done filling it up, will be about 35. So yeah, with 3,500 pounds behind your vehicle, especially the closer your trailer is to the weight of your vehicle, the more and more important this is going to be. Because your vehicle is designed to stop the vehicle's weight, so your braking power is, for me, equivalent to around 5,000 pounds. If you want to have a safer experience and possibly not die, you want to have your trailer also equipped with an electric brake system, which, if it has a 7-way plug, it very likely has electric trailer brakes. The only way you can get the feature and the functionality of them electric trailer brakes are to have a 7-way plug, which is incorporated a 12-volt power supply that the vehicle knows how to use all this. So, tech caution or whatever, Primus IQ, highly rated, inertia driven, sensitivity controlled brake controller. We're going to have a link in the description below for that, as well as we have the Caution quick easy install link 2004 to 2008 on this particular vehicle. So not all Nissans, but I needed the one for my Xterra. So this is a quick connect that belongs to the Primus IQ. If you do not buy the Primus IQ, don't worry, you'll still get the brake controller along with a standard pigtail harness, a bracket to mount the brake controller, and then mounting screws. But if you don't want to cut or splice wires, highly recommend grabbing your compatible Caution plug-and-play adapter. We'll have a link for all these below and what they fit. Followed by, for vehicle side, if your vehicle's not equipped with the 7-way plug, you're going to need to install that before this brake controller has any sense. So there are some relays that you have to get if this package isn't good enough. This is only really pertaining to Frontiers, Pathfinders, Xterras, and Equators. 05 to 19 Frontier, 05 to 12 Pathfinder, 05 to 15 Xterra, and 09 to 13 Equators. So this is the CURT model 56226. We'll have that in the link in the description below. And if you're curious on how to install all these on a Nissan Xterra, especially, we're going to be doing that in the video over here. We'll see you there. Peace.